Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare buttery dhania chicken. So let's begin. At first take 1 bowl coriander leaves in a grinder. Then take some garlic cloves, 3 green chilies and 2 chopped onions. Now make a paste. After that, take 700 grams chicken, then add half of the prepared paste, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, add 1 teaspoon roasted mixed spices, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, then add half bowl curd, 1 and a half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon cumin powder, add 3 tablespoon melted butter, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and mix all the ingredients. Then cover and marinate for about 2 to 3 hours. Now add 2 tablespoon oil and 3 tablespoon butter to the hot pan and add the marinated chicken pieces. Now cover it for 5 to 8 minutes and let it cook on medium to low flame. Then open the cover and flip the chicken pieces so that they can be cooked evenly. Again cover it for another 5 to 8 minutes. Now open the cover and keep aside only the chicken pieces. Then to the same pan add the remaining coriander paste and the marinated chicken gravy. Stir it and add 1 teaspoon ginger paste and 1 teaspoon salt. Then add the chicken pieces. Mix it and add 1 cup water. Cover it for 5 minutes. You can keep as much gravy as you want and our delicious buttery dhania chicken is ready. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Share this with your friends and family. Definitely try this delicious recipe and give your feedbacks in the comment section below. See you in our next video. Till then, bye.